com você? Está começando mais um vídeo aqui no canal da Nora Terceira, que sou Joy. E como vocês sabem, né, minha amiga está também na transição do henê, que é Gibinho, certo? Do henê Rená. É a terceira aplicação dela, certo, gente? Eu vou fazer um vídeo bem aqui, bem específico em cima do cabelo dela, porque deu jeito de dizer que eu não tava mostrando o cabelo dela direito. Eu tava quase enfiando o cabelo dela dentro do celular. Do celular. Aí agora eu vou tirar o celular daí, vou enfiar aqui na cabeça dela pra vocês verem como tá o cabelo dela, tá certo? Pronto, minha gente, olha aqui o cabelo dela, tá vendo? Os cachinhos já tá se esticando. Ó, isso aqui, tá vendo, minha gente? O cabelo dela aqui era bem cacheadinho aqui, ó, já tá se esticando. Ó, esse é o cabelo dela, tá certo? Dá pra tu ver, mulher, tu tá vendo, né, o cabelo dela. Então, bora começar o vídeo. Ó, minha gente, o que ela tá usando é esse daqui, certo? Que é o preto azulado, tá bom, gente? Ó. Vamos lá. Pronto, minha gente, agora vamos enxugar o cabelo dela, tá certo?
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic.